Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a text box on your slide on your WPS presentation mobile. If you don't want three or four text box on a slide, you just want to delete a particular text box, you can just delete it by using this option. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete a text box on your WPS presentation, I just going to show. So I just going to add a more slide show. So for an example, so this slide have a three text box, and this slide have more than a text box. So just want to delete a text box. For an example, just want to delete this text box, you just click here, you can select it, just click again and you will see this pop-up option. Here you will see an option called delete. Just click on this delete and it automatically deleted. And you can just expand the already existed text box like this. This is way that you can just delete. For an example, here I just want to delete this particular text box. So double click here and just double click here and just delete it. So the same process can be repeated for deleting a more text box like this. And you can just make a tap and just you can just move wherever you just need to place the text box. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content on WPS Office. We will meet on next video, and this is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.